With TechNewsZone.com, coming to you from XYZ Printing, and they're going to show off their new full color 3D Mini. And your name is Ananda. My bad. Go ahead.
Alright, so this is the Da Vinci Color Mini. It's the latest product that we have from XYZ Printing. We're trying to make a more compact and a lighter version of the Da Vinci Color because sometimes our consumers think that this one is a little bit too big. So we want to make sure that
a little bit smaller one.
Yeah, a little bit smaller, easier to transport. The only difference is the build size is a little bit smaller. And instead of using 4 individual ink cartridges just like this one, it uses only 1 CMY ink cartridge.
Oh wow!
So it makes it a little bit easier to like change and
could be more affordable as well.
Yes, sir. So this one is going to cost you around $3,500. This one is less than half of it at $1,600.
Wow! What is the build area?
The build area is 5 cubic inches.
And you guys use 1.75, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
1.75 diameter peeling.
Nice.
And in order to print using the color ink, we have to use our proprietary filament because it is a specially formulated PLA filament that could absorb the ink.
Oh, nice. Do you have some? Those are all printed on there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Nice. I saw you guys at CES Unveiled the other day. It's a press event, but those are pretty cool. Everything here is printed on there.
Yes. And then this is laser engraved using this the Da Vinci Color.
Oh, you have laser now. Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Because this is the AIO all-in-one. So it has a laser engraver upgrade capability, and then of course 3D scanners.
Oh, it scans too?
Scans
cool. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So you could like put an apple in there, scan it, and then 3D print it in full color.
Yes.
Oh wow. Will it capture the color as well?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty crazy. Wow. You guys have your own slicer, right? Yeah.
That's correct. Slicer and of course 3D modeler.
What do you call it? What's the name of it?
I think it's just XYZ Wear.
Oh, XYZ Wear.
Yeah, XYZ Wear.
You guys have been out a while because like we tested and reviewed the AIO 1.0 years ago.
Oh, it was 2014, 2015?
Yeah, so you guys have gotten bigger and better. Not that it wasn't good, but it was good for the time, but this is a lot more amazing.
Yeah, at that time, auto calibration wasn't a thing, so we're trying to make everything auto calibration right now.
And what's the build area on the bigger one?
Build area is around, I believe, 8 by 8 by 6.
Oh, that's decent. Nice.
Monocolor, but for the full color, it's 7, 7, and 6. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Dave with TechNewsZone.com at CES 2019.